on this edition of the AUDIOZONE
Hey,
channel.
it's the AUDIOZONE here with another day, another video. First of all, I want to thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for the subscriptions. Always thank you guys for the support. Just want to tell you, man, that it's been a hell of a year. We're definitely going to be out there having some fun. I got to work with Josh because Josh don't like to take days off because obviously, you know, sometimes it affects, but I work out things with my guys. You making it?
Bring out a Harley so I can stomp.
Oh, he tell you got a heart and you want to race to come out to the track, man. He gotta give it to y'all. So we'll see, man. But right now, we have a little build going on at a method thing that we're doing here today. We got my guy Twan here. Y'all know him from the mini car, the smart car that was loud as hell. We're actually moving some of the audio over here to his BMW. So Josh has began to do the cutting and modifying of getting this here to be able to fit 2 10s, 2 drivers, 2 more amplifiers, processors, and everything else in his car. That's gonna be a build, y'all. Stay tuned so we can show you what's going on. All right, crew. So right now, my boy has already gotten his whole thing situated. You can see the pre-holes already done for the drivers, the 2 tank and the drivers over there. He's already got this situated. In fact, if you look from the back of the side, you can kind of see what's going on back here. So right now, what he's gonna do now is get the rear deck, put it on there, start prefabbing some holes out, and get the bad boy situated. And make this a loud BMW. It's not very often you get to see these cars this loud, but it's gonna be. So stay tuned if we continue with the build and show you what the final results will be in a few. All right, crew, so at this point in time, what we've done now, we have the rear deck original from the car. We have some templates that we have for the drivers and the speakers and that kind of stuff. So we've actually marked all the hole locations that we need to be at to be able to cut the holes, start basically installing the speakers here. After we've done the measurement, we actually use the measuring tape, everything organized, get everything situated. At this point in time, now we're gonna get the cut, start putting speakers in and start getting the wiring done. Stay tuned. Look like guys, the hole's already cut in there, as you can tell. And we got the customer in the bay watching, which we're gonna charge him for having him and him all watching this getting done. What do you think about So? Alright, y'all, so he's doing test fits right now, as you can see. Trying to make sure that everything's gonna fit. So the drivers are good. Now we're gonna check it out and see how that's going now with the speakers. And we should be having victory very shortly. Let's see where this fits in here.
I'm so good, I ain't have to check this. I'm so good, I ain't got to check that one.
Done. You wanna check the other one just in case? No madman theories later? All done, y'all. So at this point in time, now we got the holes cut in. Now it's just a matter of putting everything back together again, making sure everything's clear, wiring it up, and listening to this bad boy hit. So I'm gonna give you guys an update on the BMW, but I'm gonna talk to you about something. I'll put this young man on camera today. You mind being on camera? I just want to vlog and give everybody some information. Young man came in, his name is Dan McCormick. He came in on a phone call, came to the shop, and this is the kind of stuff that happens, man. So this is the kind of thing that happened. He got a quote, he has a car, a little more different from everybody else with a dash kit. There was an inconvenience that happened.
It was.
And me being the owner, I heard it. And I decided to step in. That's what happened.
And let me tell you what happened. You stepped right in and took care of the situation. Tony was great. Tony's absolutely great. I wasn't mad, as I said. But you heard about the situation, you took the bull by the horns, and you made a very fair, very, very equitable deal that I'm most happy with.
Well, this is what
here
it's
I am
about.
getting put in my car.
Well, I'm gonna tell you right now, that's what I wanted y'all to hear, because in the shop, you know, we got good and bads and everything, but we're dealing with customers. It's not always the easiest thing to do, but I stand behind customer service. I know I might lose today a little bit, but hopefully he'll bring me a window tint or something else later on, and we'll be able to recuperate it. But most important is that we earned a customer. That's what I want to know.
You did. You absolutely did, man.
That's all that matters to me,
sure
guys.
did.
So you know what? If we're gonna do that, he has this. She's over there looking at like us, like she's gonna be like, you know. That's why I got scared. I got intimidated by her, because you know what I'm saying. She could have came in.
She's intimidating.
She looked like she could throw something at me real quick. Let me get you off the camera. But y'all stay tuned. I'm about to reveal to y'all the BMW. Dan, I want to tell you thank you for giving me the chance to serve you today.
No, thank you. You made it right, man. That's all I can ask for, man.
That's what I'm here for. I appreciate that a lot.
Word, he get my business.
I got to recording, so now I'm gonna start recording, y'all. My bad. I'm gonna show y'all a final reveal on this car. We have the PRV processor, 4.5 Nemesis for the base. We have an 800 for the drivers. We have a 3000 for the mid ranges. There goes your drivers right there. 10, and another driver back there with the 2 subs. This is what the setup is looking like right now. And I'm about to see if I can give y'all a demo with some non-copyright music so y'all can actually hear what the thing sounds like and see what y'all opinion is. Stay tuned. I'm gonna walk out here so y'all can see how far you hear this from. Guys, I'm actually 4 bays away from the shop, and I hear that crystal clear, man. So Not on the rear deck. If we got to do on the top, it'd be a lot better, man. But at this point in time, we're gonna close this build. All I want to go interview the customer, see what the customer's thinking real quick. Hold on. So we got the owner of the car here, Twan, which is Mr. Exact. Y'all remember him from the smart car, the crazy ass smart car we built back in the day. But now he got the equipment built in here. I knew because the foundation could go a lot higher. How you feeling?
I'm great, man.
On your BMW, you know you got a loud ass BMW now,
damn
right?
straight.
You know you're gonna make people mad again, right?
I know.
In fact, it's funny because he was here and somebody recognized him from a car show that he went to go compete with the smart car. Like, you had that loud ass smart car. He's like, yeah, that's the guy. So you see him here, man. BMW is accomplished. She can be out, signed, sealed, delivered. Gonna take them. Hey Cruz, AK knows the Audio Cat here with another day, another video here for y'all, man. It's not gonna be a car build, it could be something a bit different. We're gonna actually put some compilation of people getting rides in my car. It's an amazing feeling to feel a stock Hellcat, feel 382, feel RTs, feel all this. But the Audio Cat is really a different kind of beast. It's something I really cannot even explain to you. We got my boy Ty here. He's the owner of the red car that y'all be watching this video soon. We actually got the repair and fixing his wide body. But I told him, you know what? I'm actually gonna give you a ride in the Hellcat. So I'm gonna give him a ride in my Audio Cat. He acted like he's ready for it. And I just really hopefully hope that he screams like a, and I can't say the word on YouTube, but I think like the reaction, y'all already seen a couple, I'll put a compilation. Ty, are you think you're ready for that ride?
I'm ready, let's do it.
All right, we're also gonna give somebody else a ride. So this is gonna be Tony Snow's friend. Yeah. Tony, say your name for the camera. Eric. So Eric is also gonna get a ride today on the Audio Cat. We're gonna have two reactions of two different people. I want them to tell you what they feel when we actually get on the Audio Cat and give it a hit. So stay tuned if we get this ride going on. So guys, we're getting ready to go, man. One of the things that we were talking about, we're gonna keep on modding the Hellcat a little bit more. Josh says not to mod the car. Josh, you said not to do no more because it could give me more problems, correct?
Yep.
That sounds like a deal. So I mean, that's kind of where we are right now. But we always have a smart ass comment. What was your comment, Miss Isaac?
This car's always having problems because he don't know how to fucking drive it.
That's what he's trying to say, y'all. He's trying to say that I can't drive the car. So I'm gonna say that shit again, nigga. Go ahead. Say it again, brother. Say it again. I'm going outside. Give me something that's not worth no money. Now we'll continue after. But y'all, we're about to go. Look, with Ty's on my side. Nigga, say that shit again. Y'all, we're gonna go give these guys two rides. We're waiting for my body man to come give us a quote or something, but we're gonna give them the two rides. Stay tuned and we get this going. Guys, we actually had something going on. When I was driving in California, they had this thing called the Board of Education. It's a piece of wood, you whoop your kids with, it doesn't leave no marks. A great object. These kids are 18 and over because they think they're men. You think you're a horse? Don't move. Don't be acting stupid. Don't be acting stupid. If y'all know this is a horse whip, and I'm definitely gonna do something that's gonna be kind of a crazy, damn. You can't hold that on camera, nigga. Don't touch that shit. Yo, I'm gonna tell you right now, I've also thought YouTube and having camera on me all day, because y'all be surprised all the stupid things that happen here in the daytime that we don't really get to vlog all the time. But it's a great spirit that we had that fellowship and that friendship. Let's see what Adolfo does when I whoop him with this.
You gonna like it? He already looking. Stay over there.
Why are you looking? Oh, he went. Yo, it's cold outside.
He got him shorts on.
That was a spanking from your daddy says I'm wearing shorts at work, nigga. All right, we'll continue, y'all.